card access to function properly, you must have the key in your pocket or in a bag that is on your person. To unlock the vehicle, place your hand on the inside of the door handle and the vehicle will unlock. If you would like to lock the vehicle, place your finger in the indentation of the door handle. To lock the vehicle and disable interior monitoring with passengers inside, you can select the indentation twice. For hands-free operation of the rear tailgate, you can use your foot. Place it under the parking sensor and diffuser fin for best results. You can also use the same process to close the tailgate.